Hi guys, so I decided to color my hair at home. I'm going for a special extra blonde look. Hopefully it will work out well. I have High Lift color by Wella Koleston Perfect, and I followed hairdresser's tips, so I ordered 3 different shades. This is 1222, then I ordered 1281 and 1261. And I'm going to be mixing these 3 together. I also have developer, it's Wella Koleston Perfect 12% 40 volume developer. New brush that I got at BIPA drugstores because my old one was a bit battered. I also got Olaplex because I thought my hair is going to need some extra pampering. Wella Color Fresh Mask in shade Pearl Blonde. In case I need some toning, I thought this might be helpful. You're supposed to leave it on your hair for 10 minutes and then it deposits color. Koleston Perfect is supposed to be high lift color that also tones, and that's why it's recommended to leave it on your hair for 50 to 60 minutes so it can process well. I have shade 1222 and I'm going to use half of the tube. So here is the measure. This is exactly 30 milliliters. So this half I'm going to use for the mixture. This is 1261 shade. I'm going to use 15 milliliters of it. This is 15 milliliters, as you can see right there. And I have 1281 shade. I'm going to use 15 milliliters of it as well. And I have this measuring cup, it's 120 milliliters, and I need 120 milliliters of Wella Koleston Perfect. And now we're going to mix everything together. My little son is helping me. Okay, thank you. And mix everything well together. This is the situation right now. I'm in a desperate need of a hair color. As you can see, I have a lot of gray hair over here. So this is my natural roots, 4 months of regrowth, and then I had highlights here, but it's washed out. I have my super old towel, so I don't mind if it gets dirty, if it gets stained, and also the super old sweater. So yeah, let's get started. I also used a little bit of amla oil just on my scalp. So yeah, let's hope for the best. It's been a while since I colored my hair at home. Keep your fingers crossed for me. First I'm going to brush well my hair and then I'm going to section it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Okay, I applied the color. Now I have to wait for 50 to 60 minutes. I will wait for 50 minutes, then I will apply the rest of the color on my length, leave it for 10 minutes, and then that should be it. As I mentioned before, I do have this Color Fresh mask by Wella. It's in shade Pearl Blonde and it's color depositing mask. So maybe I will need to use this to kind of tone my hair, but we shall see. It's too early to tell. Okay, and let's see the result. I ended up using the Color Fresh mask by Wella. I'm going to apply a little bit of this Kerastase Nectar Thermique cream, which helps nourish my hair, and also it diminishes time I need to spend in blow drying my hair, which is awesome.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. guess you're
And this is the result. I really do like the color. I think it's very professionally made. Obviously it's going to be even better in the daylight. Now I'm filming in front of artificial lighting, but I really like how it turned out.